Oh, almost didn't see you there. Sorry I got a little caught up with some schoolwork. Just got finished with an exam. Exam of awesomeness. And just between you and me, I aced it. But nonetheless, it's me, Stress Chef, and I'm back at ya with another fresh meal. Today we got a special treat for all you crazy kiddos and all you crazy Kyles out there. Because we're making a meal with our favorite energy drink, Monster. And today, we're not just going real light with a easy peasy meal. No. We're going all in with a steak, baby. And our marinade is a monstrous marinade, if you will. And if you see in front of us, I've already got it started with part of the marinade. Everything's all in there, just except for the monster. And I'm going to go over what we got in there. We got about, I'd say, a little over a third a cup of brown sugar. About a quarter cup of soy sauce with a little bit of teriyaki kind of mixed in there to give just an extra little bit of flavor, if you catch my meaning. We got about 5 cloves of garlic all minced and diced and thrown all about. And we got some salt and pepper to taste and some of my favorite little Montreal seasoning that I love to use in all of my meats. And we're going to take that and we're going to add the most crucial part to our marinade. Monster. And don't be shy. Pump that whole puppy in there. We're going nuts with this one, kids. That's right. The full can. And if you're like me and you're a little thirsty, you can grab your little red Solo cup and slug a little back for yourself. But if you're also like me, you've already got a red Solo cup full of Monster. So, we've got no worries here. And we're going to take this and we're going to mix that all up. Make sure everything's well acquainted with each other. All those flavors are nice and mixed about. So we've got no problems with our marinade once it says hello to our steak. Oh yeah. And you can even hear some of the sizzling, or at least I know I can, of all those seasonings mixing with that energy drink. And we know, oh yeah, we know, we got something good cooking in. Make sure all that brown sugar is all nice and grounded up so you don't have any troubles whatsoever with clumpiness. It should look nice and liquidy, almost glazy even. But we're going to take that and we're going to introduce our little friend, the steak. And just so we can make sure we get this well acquainted with this, we're going to take a little fork and we're going to whop doodle just a couple holes in our meat. This way, the marinade can easier find its way into the meat. I know some people usually aren't the biggest fan of doing that, but I'm not other people. I want my steak well acquainted with my marinade. So we're going to keep bop-doodling and scram-boodling some holes all over this puppy. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. We're going to toss that fork out of the way when we're done, and we're just going to gently and nice and easily put that steak in there, make sure it's completely coated. And here comes the fun part, where I'm actually going to say goodbye partway through. Because we're going to give this puppy, I'd say about an hour in the fridge while this marinade soaks. Then we're going to go back to the fridge, flip it again, and give it about another hour. Because we really want this puppy to soak up all that sweet Monster energy. And I'll be back at you once we're out of the fridge. A kaboom. That's right. We're back from our 2 hours where I spent my well-deserved time taking a shower and practicing Spanish. Yep, that's right. Hola, biblioteca. Pip pip lachuga. But seriously. Food. And that's what we're back to. We took our 2 hours just letting our little meat cultivate, keeping it nice and comfortable. But now that we got it all back and marinated, we're going to take that puppy right out of that juice. Look at that meat just soaking it all up. That's going to cook nice on our stove. And that's exactly what we're going to do next. Over there, I've got my stove already preheated, and the pan's pretty toasty as is. Now, unfortunately, it takes too much time to maneuver my camera, reset everything up, and get the mic just the way I want it to. So I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to cook it all off camera and show you what I've got afterwards. But you'll still take it because you're needy, and I'm the one who delivers. Now, I will show you a few things as I casually reach off camera for a nice pan with the grooves that give that nice little definition to our meat. And we're going to take this oil that's been sitting here conveniently this entire time, get that nice and coated all throughout. You can almost see how much shinier it is. Oh yeah, we'll just dump the rest of that puppy on there. And then we're going to take our meat and slab it right on the middle. Maybe let it go about 5 minutes per side. Maybe less if we're feeling brave. But I like my meat, more on the rare side. So we're going to take it a little quick, if you catch my meaning. And with that, I'll catch you once it's all done, kiddos. Bye-bye. And a hello. And we're back. We got ourselves a nice cooked steak. More on the rare side since I did about, I'd say about 3 minutes on each side, and I let the residual heat do the rest of the cooking for me. So we're actually going to take this puppy. Since it is a very thin steak, even just those 3 minutes could have definitely been more on the well side, which is definitely not what we're going for, but we'll gladly take it if it is. But if you look, which you really probably can't see because my camera's crap, we do have some nice pink in the inside of our still thin steak. So I'd call that a winner chicken dinner in my book. And we're going to take just a little slice of that and cube it up because I'm insecure about myself and the way my meat looks. And we're going to take that. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh. That is amazing. Like, I'll be honest. I made this expecting it to taste awful, and I was going to tell you it was good anyway, because that's what my job tells me to do. But holy crap. Monster energy drink? As a marinade? So good. So this one's for all you kiddos out there with your meal plans and without your meal plans, just trying to struggle through college and you need a little energy boost while you eat your meal. I definitely suggest the Monster Marinade, as it's damn good. Pardon my French. There goes my ad revenue for the week. And we're going to keep eating this. Because I just love this. Like, holy crap. And anything that makes a meal complete with the college dorm lifestyle something cheap, like granola. You can keep this, box it up, keep it for months on months, for about an entire semester or longer. So I'd say granola is a perfect pair with the monster steak. And that's where I'm going to leave you kiddos, to definitely try this one at home. And with that, you stay classy, all you chefers out there, and all you chefer wannabes. For tonight, we dine on a delectable steak. Stay safe, kiddos, and cook good.